Yo guys, what's up? Investing Money Man here. Today we're here on Webull. You can see I just signed up not that long ago, and I got 2 free stocks for signing up, and I got 2 free stocks for funding my account. So that's a pretty good deal. So they got lots of different things here on Webull. You can do cryptocurrency trading. It's pretty cool, right? Got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. You can track the other cryptos, but you can't trade them yet. So that's one kind of detractor. Still got to use like Coinbase or Crypto.com for most of it. I haven't really checked this out yet, so you might want to steer clear of that. But the trading is pretty nice. I was checking this out before. I just wanted to show you guys. Webull's pretty good, but I mean the biggest positive for me is it's pretty much free stock when you sign up. So that's really good. Robinhood has kind of the same deal. And I think they're trying to compete with each other. So when I signed up, I was getting 2 free stocks for sign up and 2 free to fund my account. So that's pretty good. I don't think they're still doing that, but anyway, check the link in this bottom of this video. You can sign up, and since you use me as a referral, you get a couple extra stocks. So you can see here, I was watching this stock here for a while. Has to do with cloud technology. I'm not really sure about it. It took off pretty good here. And then you can see it was pretty cheap, and then it really spiked. I could have really made some good returns, 2,000% return. But I never jumped on it. So that was my mistake. One of the things nice about Webull, so you go down to here, you go to calendar, and you can get involved with IPOs. And now, typically IPOs are reserved for investors that are like with like Charles Schwab or Goldman Sachs or some of the big name houses. But this gives you an opportunity. If you click on one of these, yeah, these are already in. But if you go to like next week, you can see there's some new IPOs at Oscar Health. Now they don't think they're gonna have any allocations for this one, so it's not a good example. Okay, I'm not really sure if there's going to be any available right now, but sometimes there's some available. You can see there's tons of IPOs that are gone through. And it gives you a chance, potentially, if you click on one of these, it would be like you can try to reserve some shares at a certain price, and then you might get allocated shares. You can see there's public filing, there's an offering, and the offering end date's TBD still. Give you some chat, some analysis type stuff. Doesn't look like there's anything there. Company financials, there's nothing. See the profiles, it's a holding corporation. So a lot of those going up recently. So anyway, might be a good way to get involved with IPOs, and just a good way to get involved in general. It's a low cost entry. You only need $100 to open your account. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, guys, if you guys want to join Webull and try these guys out, I'm just going to be trying them out. See if I can. You can do paper trading. That's kind of nice. Not a lot of places offer that. There's a little community. You can chat, stuff like that. You go to the markets. Let me just to keep in line with what I'm doing here. Let's look at a VTI. Okay, it's a total market return. Gives you a level 2 quotes. That's pretty cool, right? Not a lot of places do that for free. Alright. We have, let's take a look at VOO. S&P 500. So you can see it has lots of data. Yeah, look, it even gives me the value ETF here. That's kind of cool. Well, I get a lot of spam these days. Sorry about that. Not really. Here it is. So my Robinhood account. So that's pretty cool. See a level 2 quotes. That's pretty good. Yeah, they usually charge you extra for that. So you can see positions, open orders. You can click on trade. You can set the limit price. How many do you want? How many shares? Pretty nice. You can do fractional shares. Lots of shares. Though I'm not going to do any trades right now. So, anyway, guys, this is Webull. It's pretty good. See, it's got options, trading as well. Nice. All right. All right, guys. Take a look, check it out. Let me know what you think. If you decide to go with Webull, use my link and get some extra stocks. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.